Hi everyone, welcome to my fifth devlog session. Now, last time we were working on the workshop UI, we kind of finished it off. Um, Now we are going to. Well, today the plan is to change this assign to left lane, center lane, and so forth to a button that's going to sit here or maybe up here. So when clicked, it will assign the catapult that was bought. To that particular lane, and it can be changed, and the button will only show once it's bought, so it won't be visible before that. So that's the plan for now. I see how quickly we get that done, and then after that, I do want to start actually building a catapult. So yeah. This is where my lane assign stuff should come in useful. Uh, I think it should come in useful. This is left. That's right. This is right. And this is center. So what I've done so far is created the method of the event that's going to happen when I press the button. And now I'm going to rig it all that up and see how it goes. So yeah, this is essentially I want to assign the lane in such a way that when I click this button, it's going to cycle to the next one, to the next one, and then that way. So it's just one button that you press to click through. So, I mean, I figure the logic would be pretty simple. Didn't make any mistakes. Let's see if I got it all good. By that one. Oh, it's not showing the buttons. Oh, yeah, that's because I haven't assigned them. The rookie mistake again. Um, just lock that. And now we should assign the button and the text from the button. So button. So let's just make sure we assign the right buttons. Assign link button that and the text from the left. You see, this is how I make these mistakes. This is how I make these mistakes. So, lane button goes here. text goes here, and that's from the left lane. Now we minimize this, minimize that, maximize that. Lane button and text. Okay. Oh no, did I do the wrong thing again? Let's just see. Center. Yeah, just to make sure I don't want to have the frustrations later. Okay, and last one. Okay. Right, now if we run it, there we go. And that's not working. Oh, I know why. It's got to do with. Yep, it's got to do with because we're using this the button selection. Hmm. So yeah, now we've got selection working fine. Uh, we can buy them at the signs, and it goes and saves it in here in this object here. Which lane is the sign lane? Um, and what's cool is I kind of refactored some of my code here to use this to just get the actual selected lane rather than having all these switch statements. Made my code a lot cleaner, and Visual Studio has just decided that everything is an error, even though everything runs fine. But hey, um, so yeah, now we've bought the catapults. So essentially, the next step is to start building them. And I think they will leave that for a little bit later or for tomorrow. Well, till next time.